Welcome to 360 Solutions, your trusted partner for business success. At 360 Solutions, we warmly welcome you to a world of tailored business solutions designed to propel your success. We understand the unique challenges you face, and we're here to provide the expertise, guidance, and support you need to overcome them. With a comprehensive range of services, including cutting-edge IT solutions, captivating website design, efficient HR services, and comprehensive ISO training, we have the tools to transform your business. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to understanding your goals and crafting personalized strategies that deliver exceptional results. At 360 Solutions, we believe in building lasting partnerships. We strive to go beyond expectations, ensuring your satisfaction and driving your business forward. Together, let's unlock your full potential and achieve new heights of success. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you reach your goals.